How to set up disappearing messages on Signal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to set up your disappearing messages on Signal. Let's get started. First off, you need to go ahead and open up your Signal application, tap on it, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, to set up your disappearing message, you want to head over to that particular chat and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, you want to go to chat settings. On your chat settings, you can tap on disappearing messages at the top. Currently it's turned off. So what you can do is, let's say if I want the message to disappear after 30 seconds of viewing, I can select 30 seconds. If you want to do custom time, tap on it and you can do all the way down to 1 second. So let's say if I just want the message to disappear after 5 seconds, I'll do 5 seconds, tap on set, and now if you send any message here, it will be disappeared after 5 seconds of viewing. Don't forget to tap on save down below. So let me just quickly do that. Go to 5 seconds, tap on set, tap on save down below, go back, send your message. Now as you can see here, the countdown is ticking, and once the 5-second mark is over, it should disappear just like that. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.